the Future Tech Fest 2024 in Düsseldorf. We have been here for the last 4 or 5 years. It's Germany's biggest B2B startup expo. The Unicorn Academy is a non-financial partnership program for startups where we basically help startup solutions match them with our enterprise clients and we help them scale their solutions.
We're a young startup and really thankful to be able to work together with CGI and are glad to have many door openers to CGI clients now and also in future.
Yeah, we are fueling with our coffee the innovations and it's so much fun to be here.
So we at Agent really like to work with the CGI and the Unicorn Academy. It gives us a reach we couldn't obtain ourselves, both in Europe and in North America. Always nice to come here, a lot of good meetings, a lot of good discussions, and in general a very, very good atmosphere with happy people, smiles, and yeah, a great day.
We could expand our network with some other customers, with some other companies and startups, and yeah, we had some beautiful unicorns and tasty coffee.
The Unicorn Academy from CGI is helping us, Cognigy, becoming the next unicorn.
We had a great day again here at Future Tech Fest by DigiHub. We had a massive booth and we are so happy that we could bring so many startups and inspire so many people here today. And we're excited to see you next year.